Nagar Hydel Power Plant. The Giri Hydel project is situated on the river Giri of the Sirmur district, Himachal Pradesh. Giri Hydroelectric project has a total installed capacity of 60 megawatts within two units of 30 megawatt each. The project, which is run off the river scheme operated by Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board and is operational for 29 years. The source of water for generation of electricity is Giri River. The basin of power plant is Indus River till the country's border. The power plant is operated by HPSEB and the completion of power project was in 1978 and soon the commercial operation of power plant was started. The type of turbine used is Francis and to reach there, Jolly Grand Airport is the nearest well-connected airport.
Rampur Hydro Power Plant. The Government of India has requested the World Bank assistance to finance the proposed Rampur Hydro Power project being built on the upper reaches of Sutlej River in the Shimla and Kulu district of Himachal Pradesh. The project is being developed by the Sutlej Jal Vidya Nigam Limited, previously known as Natpa Jagri Corporation, a joint venture between the Government of Himachal Pradesh and the Government of India. The 412 megawatt Rampur Hydro Power Project is planned as a cascade to plant into India's largest hydroelectric power plant. The 1500 megawatt Natpa Jagri plant, a 15 kilometer underground tunnel, will carry water emerging from the Natpa Jagri plant and bring it downstream to a powerhouse located near Bail village in Kulu district.
Bakra Dam. The dam, located at the gorge near the upstream Bakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh, of height 226 meters. The length of the dam measured from the road above is 518.25 meters and the width is 9.1 meters. Its reservoir, known as Gobind Sagar, stores up to 9.34 billion cubic meters of water. The 90 kilometer long reservoir created by the Bakra Dam is spread over an area of 168.35 kilometers square. In terms of quantity of water, it is the third largest reservoir in India. The first being Indira Sagar Dam in Madhya Pradesh with capacity of 12.22 billion cubic meters, and second Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, described as New Temple of Resurgent India by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. The dam attracts tourists from all over India. Bakra Dam is 15 kilometers now from Nangal city and 20 kilometers from Naina Devi town.
The Chemera Dam. The Chemera Dam impounds the river Ravi and supports the hydroelectricity project in the region. Located near the town of Dalhousie in the Chamba district in the state of Himachal Pradesh. After completion of the first phase, the Chemera 1 generates 540 megawatt of electricity. The second stage, that is Chemera 2 dam, generates 300 megawatt of electricity. From year 2012, the third stage, that is Chemera 3, generates 231 megawatt. The unique feature of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. The powerhouse has 3 units of 180 megawatt each and has a firm power of 160 megawatt.
The Koldam Hydro Power Station, commonly known as Koldam, is an embankment dam on the Sutlej River upstream of Dehat Powerhouse. It is 18 kilometers from Bilaspur off the Chandigarh-Manali highway near Barmana, Himachal Pradesh. The main purpose of the dam is hydroelectric power generation and it will support an 800 megawatt power station. The dam was constructed by National Thermal Power Plant and TPC. Koldam Hemp was initially planned to be operational in 2009, but its commissioning has been postponed to 2014 due to environmental and geographical hurdles faced during its construction. When operational, the Hemp is expected to generate approximately 3054 gigawatt per hour of electricity per annum.
So, hope you understand the topic about the hydroelectric power plants in Himachal Pradesh that we've been presenting, and thank you for watching our video.